Good morning, children. This is your JC book, Standard 1. We will continue our online classes. Chapter 9, Good Habits. Neat and clean body make us feel healthy and fresh. We must follow good habits that help us to stay clean and healthy. Good habits means neat and clean body make us feel healthy and fresh, and we must follow good habits, and that good habits help us to stay clean and healthy. Okay, so let us study about some good habits. Good habits to keep our body clean. Number 1, bath. We must take a bath every day. We should use soap and water to remove dirt from our body and face. We must dry our body with a clean towel. Children, when we take bath, we use soap and water to remove all the dirt from our body and face. And we should take a bath every day. And after taking bath, we must dry our body with clean towel. Hands and nails. We must wash our hands with soap and water before and after eating. We should not bite our nails. Germs grow in long nails and make them look dirty. Dirty nails can make us sick. We should cut our nails with a nail cutter. Hands and nail, how we will keep clean. Children, we must wash our hands with soap and water before and after eating. And we should not bite our nails. And germs grow in long nails and make them look dirty. If we will not cut our nails, it will look dirty. And dirty nails can make us sick. If we will not keep clean our nails, that make us sick. And we should cut our nails with a nail cutter. Mouth. We use our mouth to eat and speak. We use our mouth to eat and speak. When we eat food particles stick to our teeth. This can spoil our teeth. To keep our teeth clean, we must brush them in the morning and before going to bed. We should rinse our mouth with water after every meal. Mouth. We use our mouth to eat and speak. And when we eat food particles stick to our teeth, and that can spoil our teeth. And to keep clean our teeth, we must brush them in the morning and before going to bed. Twice we have to brush our teeth, morning and before going to bed. And we should rinse our mouth with water after every meal. Hair. We must wash and comb our hair regularly to keep them clean and healthy. We must wash and comb our hair regularly to keep them clean and healthy. Eyes. Eyes help us to see the things around us. We must wash our eyes with cold water. It helps to remove the dust particles that get into our eyes. We should not rub our eyes. Children, we have to keep clean. we have to take care of our eyes, because with eyes we can see all the things around us, and we must wash our eyes with cold water. It helps to remove the dust, and we should not rub our eyes. Ears help us to hear. We must clean our ears with earbuds. We should not put anything into our ears, and we have to take care of our ears also. Ears help us to hear, and we must clean our ears with earbuds, and we should not put anything into our ears. Nose. We smell and breathe with the help of our nose. We must use a clean handkerchief to blow our nose. Cover the nose with a handkerchief while sneezing. We should not pick our nose with our fingers. How we will keep clean our nose? Nose. We smell and breathe with the help of our nose, and we must keep clean and use a handkerchief to blow our nose. And we should not pick our nose with our fingers. Good habits while eating. Number 1, we should use our own plate and glass to eat our meal. We should not fill our mouth with too much food. We should eat slowly and chew well. We should not talk while eating. We should not lick our fingers while eating. We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. While we are eating, we have to follow these things. We should use our own plate and glass to eat our meal, and we should not fill our mouth with too much food, and we should not talk while eating. We have to eat slowly and chew well, and we have to drink water more. Good habits while using the toilet. Flush the toilet after use. Wash your hands with soap and water. Turn off the tap and shower after use. When we are going to toilet, we have to use these things. First, flush the toilet after use. Then wash your hands with soap and water. Then turn off the tap and shower after use.